Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today I've got a nice little treat for you. I'm going to give you a review on the Wera Tool Check Plus ratchet and bit set. Now there are some pros and cons with this, and I suppose you're checking this video out because you want to know what they are. Especially one of the cons is it's very expensive compared to a normal ratchet and bit set, which you can pick up for maybe 14 to 30 quid. This is, I'll tell you now, you're looking at £60 minimum. There are some different types and different models of what you can get, but this particular one is actually £60, and there are some links below so you can check them out for yourself. Personally, I always go Wera anyway. They are expensive, and I have been playing with the idea to pick this one up for some time now, to be perfectly honest with you. Quite a large proportion of my tool bag actually consists of Wera tools, screwdrivers, ratchet spanners and so on. So I do rate them very well. I always say you get what you pay for at the end of the day. Buy cheap, buy twice. So no more chit chat, let's get straight into the review. As always guys, we're going to do a quick overview of the item, quick specification, some demonstration, some more information and some final thoughts at the end. But before I do, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up for the video.
So looking into the box, as you can see it's a very good quality box, to be perfectly honest with you, but it wants to be for the price. As we open it up, and there she is, look at that. As you can see, it's not very big, it's very, very, very compact. On the side here you've got your screwdriver bit. On top you've got your extension piece for all your bits and bobs, which we'll go further into that in a few minutes because that is really interesting. You've also got your ratchet on this side, and of course all your bits and your sockets. These are only standard sockets, not deep sockets. Now if you flick this button up here, out it pops, and you've got more pieces inside there. A nice little touch from Wera. Looking on the back, you've actually got a belt clip, and that can just slide straight onto your belt, no trouble. However, I'm not personally going to use it on my belt. I don't see a point in it, to be honest. So now we've had a quick overview, let's go into a specification. The Wera Tool Check Plus set is a compact portable hard case featuring a huge selection of 25mm bits, Zyklop sockets, adapters and handles that are ideal for a multitude of applications, including small and confined spaces. The 813-bit holding screwdriver handle is suitable for an attachment bits with a 1/4-inch hexagon drive, and the Wera Connection Series 1. The 8001-bit ratchet has a drop-forged full steel design, suitable for attachment of bits with a 1/4-inch hexagon drive, and Wera Connection Series 1 and 4, and the use of a 1/4-inch sockets as possible with the application of the 870-1 Wera adapter. Taking a look at the tool in further detail guys, as you can see you've got your sockets at the bottom here. They are all individually marked with different colours. This is so they're interchangeable with other Wera tools. So obviously a blue will go with another blue ratchet and so on. You've also got the sizes printed on the side. You've got your little screwdriver attachment piece here held in place with a rubber grip. Again, this is only a mini version, but it's just handy, it's just the right size so it works well with your fingers I think. On top, you've got your ratchet, which you just slide this across to get it out. That easy. Out it comes, and you can attach every bit you see inside into the ratchet. Obviously, apart from the sockets, but you do have an adapter for that. So every piece in this kit is interchangeable. So that can slide back in there. We'll look into that further later on. And then on the side here, you've got your screwdriver bit attachment. Now this, I absolutely love it. I really do. You've got your slider button here, which that pops up, and out comes your other bits at the back. So we're just going to take this first one out here. That's that. Now let me show you this, because I think this is brilliant. Bearing in mind you've got your release position. Hang on, let me get in closer for this. Let's get in right close so you can see the dirt under my nails. So that is in the closed position. That is in the open position, as always. So if we close it up, you can hear the magnet inside grab this bit. Listen to this. Did you hear that click? That is a strong click. And no matter what I do, I can't pull it out. The only thing you can do is pop that forward and out it comes, just like that. That is an excellent magnet. I absolutely love it. Look at that, perfect. And it's so strong to get out. I can't pull it out, cannot pull it out. Bet I can with some grips, but I'm not going to try because it's new. That magnet in there is a strong little guy. You can see in there. There you go. Moving back to the tools. Then once you're all finished, you just pop your bit back in and then you slide that back in there. Excuse the phone going off. And then we pull the ratchet out, and again, as I mentioned, any bit in here is interchangeable with the ratchet. So for me, this is a lifesaver. Getting underneath the boilers, getting into those tight little screws, perfect. And of course, you have your adapter at the end for your sockets underneath for your ratchet. As you can see, it's only a little guy. You've got your bit where it slides in there and it holds it in place. And then of course you have your adjustment or reverse and forward just there like that. Perfect. But again, it fits in the hand quite nicely and it can get into those awkward places. That's what we want from one of these kits. And I tell you what, it feels good quality. But again, you want that, don't you, for this sort of money? So what are my final thoughts? Well, you know what, guys? I can't say a bad thing about it. I use it every single day. Boiler servicing, minor repairs, that sort of thing, hard to reach places, which in my game is every single space you go into. It's perfect. It really is perfect. Again, you get what you pay for, same thing. It's a quality item. The bonus is that if you have any other Wera tools such as myself and many other plumbers that I do know, all these bits, like any other, are interchangeable. They're all different colours so that you know which bit goes with which. And you can use it with ratchet spanners, ratchet screwdrivers, anything like that. You can swap them, so you've got a whole toolkit. I tend to find that really I use all the items here because I can get away with it. With the screwdriver, the adapter, the ratchet and all the bits in there and the socket set. There's not much more I need, to be perfectly honest with you. So do I recommend them? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm going to put a link down below so you can check it out for yourself if you are interested. And maybe you can start off getting your own Wera tool set together. So I hope this has helped you guys. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.